The spirit of the DF is the spirit Comrade Nsereko has communicated. Unity and comradeship. Let me tell you, comrades, we did not start the DF because starting a party is fun. Starting a party has a huge personal cost. It has also a transactional cost attached to it. We don't start a party because it's fun. We began this because the nation deserves better. And I can tell you, will not just be better, will be up there among the best in this business. My brother, thank you. I want to tell you as I conclude that we will sit as DF. We will meet with whoever respects harmony of change. We will sit with the ecological party. PP is here. Can I even state? We have no problem sitting with NUP to look for common sense and purpose. Because nobody there owns this country. We are ready to be humble but serious in our humility for common good and purpose. We will do that as DF. This country is a divided country. This country is a suffering nation. This country requires restoration. Our people need hope. You cannot say they belong to me, the others don't belong to me. You cannot fight those who don't agree with you. Mulabi abana bazana alien. Abavubuka bakubanga alien ayimba bibye nawe otontoma bibyo. Olwo omuchaye kutalina nsonga kubanga mukola byanjawulo. We shall meet, we shall talk even to our enemies for the sake of this land. We shall in principle speak those we disagree with for the sake of restoring promise and hope to the younger people. Abana mubaleke bagende kati balina musumba. Abantu bafa bagala enkyukakyuka batambulire mu kujoogebwa. Oli agamba ensinzidde wano nangiridde awonsere okuvaawo owajjajja waani. We must return sanity to our politics. As politicians, we shall disagree on so many things, but we must agree on restoring sanity to our politics. Sanity and sensibility and common sense to leadership. Our people are disenchanted because they are tired of a government and governance. Because they are tired of their situation, they need new hope. I spoke widely yesterday about our get-up at the DF. We shall expound it in the coming weeks and how we intend to make a difference in how this country must be governed, on how n'abazzukulu mwe mutambule nga mwekomba nga mukolima nga muyita emizimu nga musiita ebigere nga mubeewuunya nga Allah bwe yabagabulira. God gave this country to all of us. The resources of this country are national resources, not personal resources. Obugagga bw'eggwanga si bwa bamukwata mmundu, si bwa basinga okwogera, si bwa basinga obuwanvu, si bwa basinga okusoma. The poor must see hope in our leadership. The downtrodden must see promise in our actions. We are going for an election when other younger people are still in prison. So many younger people are still rotting in prison. Mukimanyi nti waliwo n'abatwogerwako abali mu makomera abangi abavundireeyo mu bikumi n'ebikumi. I tried with my team to try and conduct a rescue. Buli bwe nagezaako okununula abaana baffe nga banninnya ku bigere na buli kati neebuuza atasobola kulwana kununula majeege aba akolera ani? Olaba Omuyudaaya atwala n'Omuwalabu bawanyisiganye abasibe obeera mugwago wa baluwa ki atalwana kujja balwanyi mu mikono gya mulabewo. What kind of commander are you to surrender your troops to your enemies for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, for 5 years, because you are arrogant? You are blind. You are blinded by nothing but arrogancy and ignorance. Abamanyi bakugamba nti tebigere onunula abalwanyi otalo kyagenda maaso. Gwe ng'ogamba nti tomanyi bwe naabajjayo bajja kugamba nti ndi munafu oli bugwagwa. I met families of suffering prisoners, one by one. I tell you as I finish, at the DF, we are going to do our best. Can you imagine that one of the icons of our struggle for democracy, Dr. Besigye, is still in incarceration and is forgotten? Can I promise my friends in the PFF, that we are going to work with you to ensure that Dr. Besigye gets his freedom? There's no happiness we can derive from his incarceration and Haja Sadrutale. There's no way we can say that we are freedom fighters when the promise of fighting for one of us makes us think that bwana avayo atayinza okufuga ekizibu gwe kizibu alowooza bwatyo. We need every one of us to be part of this struggle. Njagala kusuubiza family eziri eyo komera bavunda tetuli bagwagwa tetuli bajega omutwe gwe netuse sinsujju Katonda yampa amagezi agasobola okumanya kino kinya eno nzikiza kino kitangaala nja kukolagana ne bannange tununula abaana abo. They deserve another day. Okununula abaana abo sikwata muzi. And your beautiful wife Dr. Gladys, thank you for the work you've done to ensure that this conference is a success. To the team in Masaka led by wekibiina Kye, kudos for this beautiful job. To all of you, unity and hope to this land. Balwanyi bali babonozaayo ng'agenda tadda gwe ng'okanya kugamba nti mujje. Finally, Dr.